Advanced video marketing strategies for social media. Online video marketing is considered to be one of the most interesting marketing strategies to be utilized. It can bring every business owner a booming impact on their sales. It is developed through large-scale planning and is properly aligned to your business goals and systemized according to short or long-term monitoring. You'll be able to create better or larger marketplaces that can boost your business's sales. In today's world where everyone seeks innovation and leverages the state of the business, more and more businesses are seeking a more advanced strategy to market their product and service. Hence, the use of various video marketing strategies has highly increased. Marketers today are now enjoying the benefits of having videos on different social media sites to market their brand names, because they know that it will create a great impact on their sales, and most people are engaged in the online world. However, before you create your own video plan, you must be familiar with the popular media platforms, where each of these video tools are characterized by distinct audiences, time restrictions, and the best prices. YouTube, Facebook desktop and mobile, Twitter desktop and mobile, Instagram mobile, Snapchat mobile, Blab desktop and mobile, and Periscope mobile. Developing video marketing strategies for social media. In order for you to successfully develop your video marketing strategy, you must have a reason why you want to use a video and have a vision of the result you want to achieve. By doing so, you'll have the ability to select which of the above platforms will best help you obtain your desired outcome. Also, it is important for you to determine which of the platforms your audience uses most of the time, and learn what resources you'll be needing to create and share videos. After that, you have to add a call to action. Incorporating a call to action. You should remember that aside from creating effective videos, you also need to add a CTA. First, determine your CTA before hitting the record button. You must include it in your talking points. Short-form videos. There's no harm if you start with creating short videos. With this, you'll be able to determine if your first attempt is successful or not. Flipagram, Hyperlapse, and Boomerang are some of the video apps you may want to try. Long-form videos. You can also take advantage of using long-form videos. Twitter, Facebook Live, and Periscope are some of the best examples of it. Leveraging videos. You can share your short-form videos on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, or you may upload your videos from Twitter to YouTube. Another thing is that you may include them on your blog or pin it on Pinterest. Taking screenshots from your videos and then posting it to social media with a call to action is also effective.